Advanced monetary standards have extended and acquired huge ubiquity throughout the last years. The area has created, gotten savvier, and succeeded. Among a few different perspectives, the openness and flexibility of cryptographic forms of money have drawn in brokers and made them engaging. Nexo is one such stage that gives people fast and simple admittance to their assets and quick advances. One of Nexo's best elements is that it gives its individuals admittance to decreases and various in every practical sense, different benefits. On by and large top of everything, Nexo doesn't request financial assessments from clients, which makes it much more invigorating for dealers, or so they all things considered, thought. When will Nexo get back into the game and explicitly arrive at new levels? Or then again, will Nexo be shot out from its spot by rival cryptographic forms of money? This review will answer all of sort of your inquiries. Attach your safety belt as we disentangle Nexo's cost expectation for 2022 and the years to come. Nexo value expectation for Q4, which is very critical. Following the gigantically fruitful send-offs of Nexonomics in Q4 2020 and Nexonomics 2.0 in the late spring of 2021, delivering Nexo 3.0 will address a fresh out-of-the-box new stage in the improvement of this digital money, as per Nexo. That being said, this could sort of speed up the speed and honesty of the stage, making its cost exchange at $1.23. In any case, on the off chance that the organization keeps on diving, the cryptographic money might fall as low as 86 cents. Notwithstanding, restricted by the straight cost gauge, the typical cost could turn out to be at $1 Nexo value expectation for 2023. With the work of revenue-based contracts, Nexo offers a steam put-together money management and exchanging with respect to their framework, which is genuinely huge. Besides, it helps customers in building a prosperous future to effectively get credits on the virtual crypto market. An enormous cluster of digital currencies can be traded against any government-issued currency. This could drive more adopters and financial backers to the stage arrival its cost at $2.12. Then again, the altcoin may close the years exchanging at $1.10 on a desolate note, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Be that as it may, assuming a straight force fundamentally were to control it, the exceptionally normal selling cost could track down its ground at $1.62. Nexo value estimate for 2024. Nexo could draw in a bigger group, which would push up the expense. Assuming that this occurs, the worth of Nexo could ascend to its conceivable pinnacle of $3.70 by the finish of 2024, or so they truly thought. Nonetheless, on the off chance that the bears outperform the bulls, the worth might go as low as $1.87. The expense could ultimately really reach $2.82 in the event that purchasing and it are somewhat adjusted to sell pressures. Nexo value expectation for 2025. The arrival of free virtual cards with no restriction cash changes explicitly has been a champion for the most part update for Nexo. The genuine benefit for purchasers is having the option to generally pay utilizing their public monetary standards, and this large number of cards can be used for refunds. That being said, before very long, this could drive the fundamental energy for the coin, which could land its cost past $6.14 toward the finish of 2025, or so they thought. Be that as it may, shakiness might compel the Nexo to drop to $3.07 in case of a potential accident welcomed on by any imminent regulation. In any case, considering both the bullish and negative focuses on, the normal cost might wind up at $4.58 in every practical sense, enormous way. Nexo value expectation, which is very critical. Nexo could change the universe of loaning through its advanced idea. In the event that the group keeps on moving in astonishing updates and highlights its most extreme cost could land at $1.40. On the negative side, a deficiency of improvements and developing investor FUD could bring the value down to $1 or so they thought. What is Nexo? The Nexo network offers fast crypto-upheld credits and basically utilizes the Nexo token based upon the Nexo-based blockchain framework. It originally started tasks in April 2018. Meaning to basically advance a stage where getting digital money credits is a straightforward cycle. The organization gives advances that don't need a charge card and really acknowledge just government-issued currency. Customers can rapidly explicitly recover their credits in the wake of keeping their digital money tokens into their Nexo wallets by means of the site. Nexo's framework utilizes a client's computerized resources for offered types of assistance that render liquidity well-being. Additionally, they are for the most part more proficient and safe, consequently improving their productivity and judgment, which is genuinely huge. Key investigation. Nexo was the principal in the business to give moment advances supported by digital currencies. The organization plans to settle shortcomings in the loaning industry. The robotized loaning process utilized by Nexo utilizes shrewd agreements and a profit on the Ethereum blockchain. Tom to oversee advances. After a client moves digital money to a Nexo-controlled wallet, the Prophet lays out the credit, and the client is in a flash designated the assets. At the point when the client stores to really reimburse the advance, the Prophet returns the digital money and records the exchange on the blockchain. The kind of brilliant agreements are utilized to control Nexo and to record the equilibriums of clients. Nexo needs to foster a customers of clients who keep close by and sort of keep on using the organization and backing the organization. Thus, the business disclosed a steadfastness program that rewards clients for keeping up with Nexo in their wallets by offering them lower loaning financing costs and genuinely better speculation yields. Other than this, here are a few central issues on Nexo that could be useful to you settle on a superior decision forestalls resources esteem. Empowering clients to keep their money offsets while furnishing them with response to government-issued types of money like the USD and EUR keep the value of the resources from decreasing with time. Quick liquidation, speeding up the liquidation of the assets. By smoothing out the methodology and giving transnational admittance to the resources, Nexo desires to beat the deferred and compelled nature of this system without a doubt. Moreover, no additional expenses are charged to the holders for installments or withdrawals. The credit circle, it wipes out the danger of a FICO rating downside. Nexo no longer performs formal credit checks, thus it depends just on the value of its advanced resources for secure advances. Authentic value feelings. 2018 to 2019. The coin didn't live it up in the market soon after its send-off. It was exchanging around 10 cents for the greater part of 2018 and 2019 with next to no significant variances. Incredibly, the coin even plunged more under the negative takeover to reach 9 cents for a limited capacity to focus 2019-2020 in a significant manner. The year brought some for the most part expects the coin. Notwithstanding lengthy negative commencement, the coin at long last took the bullish energy to hit 20 cents on the 1st of August. December saw an extraordinary upswing in the value direction of Nexo with its estimating spiking to 66 cents. 2021. The year persevered with a similar bull run from 2020. The in every way that really matters token fell in the wake of arriving at a pinnacle of $3.70 on November 16, 2021, as the digital money market started to falter. The coin closed the year on a fair bullish note with its cost at $1.60. Wrapping up, the Nexo blockchain is controlled by innovation that is intrinsically for extremely straightforward direction. Notwithstanding, prior to finishing up, we might want to feature the possible advantages and disadvantages of the coin. Is Nexo a wise venture? The convention has areas of strength for us supporting it and a few state-of-the-art qualities. It pivots how the loaning framework works in a significant manner. Can Nexo sort of adapt to its negative market? The crypto project flaunts durable essentials and could advance to more prominent highs against the bears in the event that it investigates fresher updates and extremely functional coordinated efforts. What will be the in every way that really matters worth of Nexo toward the finish of 2022? The coin truly is expected to exchange around a normal expense of $1.04 by the finish of 2022, or so they truly thought. What will the base and greatest cost of Nexo be toward the finish of 2023?